Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investments. Friday, July the 22nd. You'd expect to be a slow news cycle day, but I do have two press releases for you, which is great. I'm going to start you off first with China Energy Corp. Trades on the stock symbol CHGY. They put out their financial results for Q2. This is a producer and trader of coal for domestic heating and electrical generation. They're also a supplier of heating and electric energy services in Inner Mongolia. This is for the period ended May 31st. I'm going to go straight to the 6-month numbers here. Revenue, $54.5 million. That's up 32%. Net income, $8.2 million or 18 cents per share. That compares to 8.4 and 19 cents per share for the same quarter last year. So they're down slightly. However, they are trading today at 51 cents, which is probably significantly below where they were a year ago. And I'm going to get over to my trading for the day to see what they're at. But even if they don't earn another penny in earned profits for the year, and they stick at that 18 cents number, you're talking about a company that's trading less than 3 times earnings. But if they're able to match that number for the next 6 months, add on another 18 cents, that's to take them up to 36 cents per share. You're talking about a company that's trading at less than 1.5 times earnings potentially. Like I said, 52 trading range, 220 on the high, 36 cents on the low. This morning, 52 cents up just 1.96%. It's early, it's a Friday, but something like this means you got to go take a closer look. This is a potential baby being thrown out the bathwater. Next up, China Automotive, traded the stock symbol CAAS. They put out their first quarter numbers as well. I'm going to talk about the multiples. Not quite a baby being thrown out the bathwater, but some good value. First quarter highlights: revenue up 8.1% to $91 million. Income $17.2 million or 23 cents per share. That compares to a loss of $4.1 million and 15 cents per share last year. So significant bottom line improvement and increases. I'd like to see that. The company closed yesterday at $8.21. As of this morning, $8.36, up 1.8%. So the market likes the news. A little bit about the valuation. If they're able to pull off 23 cents per share in their first quarter, extrapolate that over 4 quarters, you've got $1 per share. And at $8.21 or now $8.35, you've got a company trading at 8.35 times earnings. Now, it is slightly a bit of a stretch for 2 reasons. A, it's only the first quarter number, and they came out of a loss period, so they haven't quite established that they are going to be producing steady, profitable earnings every single quarter. Plus, even if you get that extrapolation, 8.36 times, now 8.4 times earnings are up to $8.40. Isn't exactly a steal. Good value if you want low beta, because you'd think an automotive company wouldn't have much volatility in China. Mind you, the last 52 weeks has been anything but. Nonetheless, it is good value if you look for something with a little less beta and something a little more stable. Personally, I'm looking more for the babies being thrown out the bathwater kind of news. There are too many deals out there right now in China that are being hurt by the reverse merger crisis. It looks like investors have abandoned everyone until the dust settles, and that's going to be your opportunity to make potentially massive gains when this thing gets cleared up. I'm looking for things to be cleared up sometime between now and Christmas. That's why we're reporting and watching these things very carefully. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity, 2 great press releases. If you look for more great China small mid-cap news and you're not on the front page of ChinaSecurities.com, get there, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into the marketplace to discover your next great Chinese stock. That's a wrap. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.